Hey, thanks for joining us for another episode of the Retirement Blueprints. We've got a good question today from Matt, who stopped 401k contributions several months ago because of election uncertainty. Matt says, I was thinking I'd wait until things in the world get back to normal, but the market didn't crash like I thought it would, so should I go ahead and start the contributions back up? We're going to answer that question with financial advisor Frank Oliver coming up next. All right, so we've got this interesting question from Matt. Man, trying to time the market a little bit, it sounds like here, Frank.
Yep.
You know, election concerns kept him out of, not just like pulling money out of the market, but stopped contributions to his 401k. Now wondering, should I get back in? The market crash didn't happen. I'm reading through, I'm trying to look into Matt's mind here, and I'm wondering if he still thinks there could still be a market crash. Should I keep waiting for that crash, or should I give up and get back in at this point?
Yeah, nobody can time the market. I do appreciate the question, Matt. There's a saying that we use at the office, and it's not timing the market, it's time in the market. And I think what a lot of people don't realize is that volatility is actually very, very good for contributing to your 401k. So if the market does crash, this is a really good opportunity for you to continue to dollar cost average those funds into your 401k and into the market, because your dollar cost averaging, your average share price is going to be lower over the long haul if you do continue to contribute into the 401k if the markets do go down in value. But
I mean, you'd be buying stocks on sale essentially if there was a crash, and that's not a bad position for you to be in, Matt. Unless you're retiring tomorrow, then maybe we need to be talking a little bit differently about your situation. But
absolutely. But then, that turns into maybe just a rebalance on the portfolio, not necessarily stopping your contributions, because you may be giving up a match and everything else.
Yeah, excellent. That's fantastic, and it's a good question. Thanks for sending that one into us, Matt. Hopefully that gives you a few good directions, and I know we've got some people that are probably in a similar situation. Frank, thank you for all your help today.
Thank you, Walter.
Appreciate
Good seeing you.
We'll see you next time on the Retirement Blueprint.
Investment advisory services offered through Creative One Wealth, LLC, a registered investment advisor. Oliver Asset Management and Creative One Wealth are unaffiliated entities. Licensed insurance professional. This information is for educational purposes only and should not be construed as advice or a recommendation for your specific circumstances. Investing involves risk, including possible loss of principal. Insurance product guarantees are backed by the financial strength and claims paying ability of the issuing company. We are not affiliated with any government agency and do not provide tax or legal advice.